I'm Gloria Song, founder of White Dahlia Design and STR Design Lab. Here are the 5 ways you will make your money back when you invest in professional interior design. Based on feedback from clients, it took our team half the time to furnish and launch a property compared to when they DIY'd a property themselves. Data from resources like AirDMA show that properties with elevated design can rent at a premium of 40% or higher. With us, you can get discounts on furniture as well as pay monthly rather than upfront. The discounts alone could cover the cost of your design fees. Included in our services is a competitor analysis to ensure your property has the right amenities and is visually captivating to stop renters mid-scroll. Our 3D design not only gives you peace of mind by seeing the end result, but it also acts as a roadmap to easily assemble the space. However, if you choose our VIP option, we'll send you a handyman team to quickly assemble all the furniture and get the place ready for rental. To get started, book a call with our team to ensure that your STR will give you the best return on investment.
We wanted to turn our partially furnished condo into an Airbnb. The design portal was super easy to use for all the coloring schematics, furniture options, and renderings. From our first communication to the final design, we had a wonderful experience. They did all the purchasing, set everything up. We came to see our condo in the final design, and it was absolutely perfect. Our Airbnb guests absolutely loved the design and can't wait to come back to experience it again. Thank you, STR Design Lab.